Okay, so for 11, they're trying to multiply these two numbers, right? So the first person thinks that they should use a generic rectangle, but generic rectangles won't work in this case because it's just a single term times another term. Generic rectangles work when you have like x plus 2 or x minus 2 times 2x, right? This is just a number times a number. Inside of each term, inside of the term is just multiplication. So this is just one term, right? Times one term, right? So that won't work. Cadell, or this person, thinks the answer is 8 times 10 to the 10th, but he can't explain why. So if I have 2 times 10 to the 3rd, right, and I'm multiplying that by 4 times 10 to the 7th, right, I would multiply the 2 and the 4 and get 8, and I'd multiply the powers of 10, right, 10 to the 3rd times 10 to the 7th, right? So that would become 8 to the 10 to 3 plus 7, right? We add the exponents, 8 times 10 to the 10th, right? I wouldn't show all that work, right? So Cadell is correct, and it's correct because he's using the rule of multiplying powers with the same base, right? And then the last person, Lauren, thinks they should multiply the like parts and gets 8 times 100 to the 21st, and that's just incorrect. She's not applying the properties correctly.